Let's see how to replace gear position sensor on Mercedes-Benz 720 2.9 TCU VGS AG2 series. This is the gear position sensor. There are two models of this sensor, 2 and 3. We will discuss later how to distinguish those. If the gear position display shows no gears, we just need to replace this sensor. How do we replace it? These are the solder joints of the gear sensor. There are flat cables here. We need to be careful with them. So how do we remove the sensor? We cannot desolder it. Our soldering iron won't be enough. Therefore, we will cut the connection. We grind it very carefully. There are also 4 solder joints in the middle. After we ground these openings, we can use a small knife to separate the solder joints. Make sure not to touch the flat cable. Pry it open. 1, 2, 3, 4 solder joints in total. The solder joints connecting the flat cables have been removed. When removing them, always pay attention to the flat cable. Lift the sensor gently. The sensor has 2 clips on the front side. Release these 2 clips. Then you can take out the sensor for replacement. For the new sensor, further ground in the contact area to make it larger. Now you can apply soldering to the pads. Remove all residues after grinding first. Then we can add tin. We apply tin here so we can solder the sensor. When we solder later, having tins over here will make the job faster. Insert the sensor and snap it into place. This installation is simple. We'll work on this side. As you can see, the 4 solder joints we prepared earlier are all on the backside. We need to solder these for contact points to the corresponding flat cable traces. After that, notice there's a plastic insulation layer with red wires underneath. Carefully grind away this insulation. Be cautious to only expose the copper contacts we need to solder. This will ensure a clean and reliable soldering joint later. After exposing the copper pads and cleaning them, apply flux and soldering to connect these contact points to the flat cable traces. Ensure each joint is secure. This is the most reliable method for repairing these. As you can see, each solder joint is solid and stable. Once done, clean any residual flux. Then reassemble and reinstall the TCU. Then reinstall it into the vehicle and test it. Job completed.